Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorials how to coil long paths. I will go to part design and you can click start to diskette. I will choose this plan. For shape I will draw circle in here, and then for path we draw line object start from this point into here. Click finish cut. Now use coil tools, and then for axis you can select this path. And if you want to coil along this path, we can choose pitch and height, or you can use revolution and height. In here, I will use pitch and height. And now for height, you can click here and click measure. I will click in the bottom here and move to this point. So it will be automatically coil along this path. And then you can change pitch, like I will set into 5 for pitch. And if you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorials, how to coil a long path. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.